तू but they didn't know I am choosing something which is going to be very near and dear for me. Believe me, my dear friends, the noblest profession on earth, I'm talking about on earth, is a teacher's profession. Every student, whoever has come, you are responsible for it. Many people ask me, Ajit, who is the guru? There cannot be one guru. If my primary teacher taught me to read A, B, C, D and write A, B, C, D, would I be sitting in front of you? So everybody on earth is a guru for you. Please understand. Okay. So what we need to do is, we need to see today, after this big change, how we are going to uplift ourselves, upscale ourselves, so that we can connect to our people, our students. Because my dear friends, I'm a teacher only if I have students. I can't call the teacher if I do not have the student. So what we need to do is today, we'll do some churning. Why this churning? My dear friends, I am separated from everybody because of this border called body. All the states in India are separated because of border. Nations are segregated and separated because of border. But you know what separates people? The border called notions. Nations are separated. We need visa, we need passport. But the notions are separating us. And these notions are the killers. Today we have a big problem. And the change is, we have seen a lot of changes. So today, my dear friends, we are going to discuss, if we go back to our schools, and when we go back to our schools, what are the complications we are going to face? The reason is, my dear friends, when I was in school and college, I was always taught what to think, my portions, but they never taught me how to think. The day I learn how to think, we get uplifted, upscaled. And therefore, my dear friends, today, the course is by the teachers, for the teachers. And therefore, we thank Hoopsters who has organized this wonderful webinar, bringing all the teachers from all the places to see how we can connect with each other and see how, when we go back, our notions can be removed and we can work as one unit. I want a few teachers, please, to tell me what is the biggest lesson you have learned because of this lockdown period. Yeah? Anybody? What is the biggest lesson you have learned? Anybody? One by one, please. Yeah, put on your mic, tell your name, and tell what have you learned. Yes, anybody? Tell your name first.
Hello?
Yeah, your name first. Yeah, Manjula?
Okay. So if anybody wishes to talk during this one, just leave me a message and I have to unmute you.
Or best is, Nupur, they can send me their reply in chat. That's much better.
Yes.
Okay.
You can also unmute yourself. You
Wonderful.
can also unmute yourself, but just don't do it while Mr. Ajit is talking so that we can keep the focus on him.
Yeah, you know what, Nupur, I feel if there are children in the house who are making noise, they cannot do anything about it. But best, now somebody has sent self-management and self-control. Wow, what a wonderful thing. Can you tell your name, please? Okay, VG says life is so unpredictable. And Chandrayani says it's pain. Wow, we are getting very nice answers. So let's go one by one. Self-control. Yeah, Mariam, you can, type your name and tell what you have learned, so that it becomes very easy for me. If your name is coming like it is coming on the screen, then it becomes very easy for me to write. We can go beyond classrooms. Oh, yes. For a learner, my dear friends, in an agar-agar plate, a fungus teaches Alexander Fleming what is penicillin. Okay? The teacher, more than the teacher, if I'm a good student, I have a craving for learning. There is no end. Shrisha says, I'm from Vishwa Vidyapeeth, I have learned a good, okay, what have you learned? Shrisha I have learned so, okay, social responsibility. Yes. Ranjit says, I have learned social responsibilities. And Manjula says we can live with minimum facilities. Wow, that is really very good. Because, you know, we're on for lifestyle and not for life stance. Okay. I learned family values. Yes, we were lost in economy at the cost of ecology. That's very nice. Yeah. What happened? Where's the chat? Then man is a social animal. It's very difficult to stay without work. Yes. There are people who say, if I don't get this salary, I will not do. My dear friends, salary is important. But what is important is feel good factor, whether you're celebrating what you're doing. To update with today's technology. My dear friends, techniques, ways and means, technology, talents, thinking, all these are very, very important. Not to take life for granted. But you know what, Sonia, if we are not, we should not be risk averse also. You know, calculated and intelligent risks. And Ranjita, your family is so important. First, we should learn values. Later, oh, wonderful things are coming back. Beginning at home is very difficult without students. Yes, very, very right, Seema. June says positive attitudes. Yes. Health is very important. Not only physical health, my dear friend. Coronavirus has created tension for us, but the viruses in my mind, my fear, doubt, insecurities, oh, they are killing me permanently. And this virus has no, you know, no answer. Self-help and also responsibility. Yes, Lavanya, wonderful sentence. I need to help myself. I come alone onto this earth and I'm going to leave this earth alone. So I better learn the power of self-control, self-awareness, self-understanding, self-responsibility, self-accountability. Everything is self, but unfortunately, we have given too much importance to everything outside. Importance of family. My dear friends, this is the first family. 30 to 60 trillion cells. You know, I have to take care of myself first. You know, because Harshini says, my family, yes, importance is there. Okay. But unless I take care of myself, wonderful. Oh, God is playing 2020 match. Ranjita Jyoti, what a wonderful statement. Very nice. Sri Devi says nothing is impossible. Yes, I've realized it. You know, at this age, I've been able to do three webinars every day. I never realized that life can be so vibrant and beautiful and exuberant. Life is really exuberant. And people say I'm getting bored in the house. So I always feel, how can they get bored with so much of creativity if you apply? Value your family as well as money. So economy and ecology and education. Unfortunately, you know, we have given too much importance to literacy rather than education. We go in for the qualification rather than the qualities, and that brings about a big, you know, mishap in our life. It is very important, my dear friends, that I need to balance. All this will be taken into cognizance, and you know, such wonderful suggestions from all our staff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these things and see to it that I am going to talk on these topics. So many suggestions. Lovely. I think as many people as that many suggestions have come. We have a very, very vibrant, lively group. Of course, you know, only those motivated, enthusiastic will come on this. Otherwise, you know, people will sit in their TVs, wasting their time, seeing somebody else becoming brands, but they don't work on themselves to become brands. It's very important that I need to work on myself and see to it that I need to work on myself to go and become exuberant, so that I become a teacher, going not to percentage prices, but going to the next orbit, growth in multiples. So let's start our meeting. And is it possible, Noor, that I upload my this thing now?
Yeah, yeah, sure, you can. I'm not sharing
Okay,
anything.
wonderful. So many suggestions have come. I'm really, really very happy that teachers have brought in so many learnings. Just give me a minute. I'm copying all the learnings. Very important that I cover most of the points which are there. Then only it becomes very interesting. Okay, right. Copy. I go to this thing. I go to this place. Take it and copy. Very, very good. Okay. Who's that? Okay. Now let's come to the brass tacks. I'll show you one, what you call, I'll upload one thing and it will tell me, hey, where is it? Nupur, what happened, man? Ah, okay. Full screen and share screen. Where is that? Okay. Now I'm bringing before y'all. Can you see the?
Yes, we can.
You can see. Wonderful. Thank you. Now look at this screen. What comes to your mind? Have you seen the beautiful, challenges? Always bring change. Look at the word challenges. So, if in the challenges which come to you, if you are able to learn the lessons, how? By evaluation. People fell down and Newton evaluated, he learned a lesson called gravity. Our own Dr. Vishvesharaya went to Jog Falls. He saw waterfall falling and everybody was jumping around. But Vishvesharaya ji said, wow, what a waste of electricity. So the challenge either comes to you like Corona or make it a Hindi Corona. मैं कुछ कर सकता हूं, परिवर्तन करो ना. So the question arises, can I become a part of the change? Do I need challenges to come to me, or can I create challenges for me? Something is there around me. Okay, like penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Penicillin is fallen down there. He could have got angry with the person attender who removed that agar agar plate, but he didn't get angry. So when your mental disturbance takes place, you are not able to see the truth. Corona, if I start innovate, renovate and create, things start becoming wonderful. And therefore, my dear friends, you will realize a challenge will come. The pupa has to become a butterfly. Yes, we want to be in our comfort zone. And the butterfly is asked by the pupa, hey, you have changed. Butterfly says, you're supposed to. Look at the right. Education, ecology, economy. The complete landscape is undergoing a change. Those who follow change will be left behind. You know what happened to Nokia? You know what happened to Kodak? You know what happened to Fiat cars? So let's not become this outdated people. We need to choose to lead change. My dear friends, you are what you are today because of the choices which you have made. So if you are what you are and you're complaining because of paristiti, please understand no paristiti can be blamed. It is your manastiti which needs to be blamed. If you are taking care of your manastiti, then your paristiti will be taken care of. Okay. So Hoopsters wants to create a community of parents and schools and teachers so they can come to know how exactly wherever we are in this world, we can uplift ourselves, upgrade ourselves, so that we continue to keep facing challenges, because challenges are going to come every now and then. I'll give you an example. I remember the first time I got hit was 1919 Kargil War. Do you remember similar situations? 2000 AD, Rajkumar abduction. 2000 WTC building. Those 3 years were very, very dangerous. And again, in 2018-19, we started getting problems. So if you see, there is a gap of 7-8 years. There is a gap of 7-8 years, and after the 7-8 years, we have a problem of very interesting. You just go back 15-20 years, you will have this recurrence happening every now and then. And then I was reminded that in this universe, 7 is a universal number. Okay? Saptarishi, Saptapadis, 7 colors in the rain, 7 swaras in singing, 7 years your tooth falls down. It's very painful. 13, 14, you undergo a big physical change. Androgens are released, estrogens are released in females and androgens in males. So chemical changes, again painful. 21 mental changes. My dear friends, after 7 years, you need to face problems. This is the rule of the world. But we make a big thing about it because we are not mentally prepared. We get hit very badly. But as teachers now, we have to learn lessons, you know. Are we evaluating? Are we learning from the lessons, or are we sitting and complaining? Can we sit and do contemplating rather than complaining? Whether to contemplate or to complain, we need the same amount of time, same amount of energy, same amount of, attention, and the same amount of resources. If you are contemplating, you will have TEAR, time, energy, attention, resource. You will have tears of happiness. And if you are wasting your TEAR, time, energy, attention, resources, complaining, Corona is bad, this is bad, that is bad, then you are wasting your time, energy, attention, resources, and you will have tears of sadness. So my dear friends, this is a wonderful course where Hoopsters felt that buoyancy should come into this particular interaction with the teachers, so that we learn the art of uplifting ourselves. Okay. So now, just like you have sent so many, things about your requirements, can I know from you all, what is it that we should do when you go back? I need suggestions from you all. When we go back to our schools, what do you think? You can put it in the chat. What do you think we should start doing? Yes, please. Anybody? Number one, my dear friends, so many of you have realized that the family is important. Working on the self is important. But have you realized that when I go back to school, am I again going to work on finishing my portions? Because if I'm only finishing portions, I'm finishing the students also. And therefore, I should realize I have to work on character, culture, communication to go with the curriculum. Character, culture, because when we were young, we used to have moral science classes. Yes, family values and culture. Let us put it in character and culture only. We should able the value, but we are making students to run after valuables, marks, money, materials. What about mentoring, monitoring, motivation? If a student leaves his school and college with a wonderful degree, with motivation, mentoring, and monitoring, that child is guaranteed to become a great success. But very unfortunately, from the very first time when the child enters a nursery class, we start concentrating upon marks, mind, materials. And these 3 M's are the killers. Because these 3 M's are going to, yes, build values, courage, confidence. Jyoti Raman, what a wonderful thing. Tell me, any child, can you show me without confidence and courage? Can you show me one child without confidence and courage? When we are young children, We are born with huge confidence and small knowledge. But when we finish our school and college, huge confidence. No, I mean, huge knowledge. What happens to our courage and confidence? Small. Am I right or not, Manjula? I like your smile on the face. We are all the time forgetting that what divinity has blessed us with. We walk into school. And when we leave the school, we have a big paper, big knowledge, but no confidence, no motivation, no drive, no enthusiasm, no risk-taking abilities. But every child has this. So can Corona open these eyes of ours, my dear friends? Can we prepare our children? Beautifully put, Naushad Ahmad. Can we help our children to be prepared to face the future situations? I tried an experiment. Buoyancy is 30 years old, now 28 years old. And we tried experiments. We started taking people from the slums. The first lorry boy we took, when I asked him, why didn't you go to school? Illa sir, no school in my village. Okay, he talked to me in Kannada. Nan hallinalli shale illa. I said, why didn't you walk to the school, nearest school? No sir, it is 7 kilometers. Why can't you walk 7 kilometers? No sir, I don't mind walking, but when the school opens, the rain starts. And walking 7 kilometers in the rain is a big problem. I'm from Coorg. If it starts raining 2, 3, 4 days, it is raining continuously. And therefore, my dear friends, I thought, let me try with this. This man has guts. This man has communication. This man has all the enthusiasm. So I trained him. And today, he started his own school 7 years back. Last year, he got a national award. Please understand, my dear friends, a person has not gone to school. I took my security who had come from Nepal. After the problem in Nepal, he came to Buoyancy. And I told him, why didn't you go to school? No, sir, no village in my school. I said, what do you want to become? I want to go abroad. In 3 years' time, today, he is the sales manager at the Dubai airport. My dear friends, what Naushad madam has told. Can I prepare my child to face tomorrow? Life, future. We teach them 9 planets. What about this, teaching the child this planet? How am I going to face life? If I know this planet, my dear friends, wonderful things will happen. The day I teach them, life is simple, my dear friends. Beautiful Sonia Sachdev has written, life is beautiful and simple, but unfortunately, simple is not easy. It's very simple, right? Life is simple. It was just gifted to us. Simply, this most complicated machine on earth has been gifted to you. If I buy one mobile, I should have, a template, a book talking about the mobile, but there is no book written about me. So first thing, if you can, whichever standards, if you can help children to write their own book, believe me, they'll be very proud. When I took up a company, I made everybody first day only write their own book. Beautiful friends I made, help them to make what, why, when, where, which, who, how. Make friends with these 7 people, what, why, when, where, which, who, how, and wonderful wow happens in your life in the now. Unfortunately, what is happening? We know the whole world, but we don't know this world. A person who becomes, aware and powerful with this world becomes very powerful. My dear friends, don't forget, we are all born out of the winning sperm, born to win, conditioned to be losers. Can we train our students to respect ourselves, to accept ourselves unconditionally, to embrace ourselves, just like the grace in my mother's womb simply gave this body, and my mother is a subset of this whole universe. If my subset mother can give me this, what this universe, single verse written by divinity, single verse, if I can be taught how, that how is not taught. Children who come to us, give me a written off child. Within 3 months, that child becomes an achiever. How? Because first thing we do is learn to respect yourself, accept yourselves. And the first thing we have to do is stop comparing. That comparing makes you to hate people. One mother came to me. No, sir, if I don't compare, how will my child learn? I said, suppose your husband says that neighbor Smita is making better dal than you. Will you like it? No, 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 that is different. Why that is different? That is also same, right? Amtullah, I love that. She's doing thumbs up. She's getting excited there. Yeah. So let's understand, my dear friends, there are certain realities in life we have not understood. Everything has become directed depending on my requirements. Why things should be as per my requirements. So understand, I'm going to show you a small film, right? I'm going to show you a small film. And after that film, my dear friends, you are going to discuss what you have understood by this. Okay? Uh, okay. Your son is a failure. He's barely passing my class, and with grades like this, I'm just not sure what kind of future he's gonna have. What happened? With all due respect, don't call me a failure. Failure is an event, not a person, in fact. And you talk about the future, Mr. Johnson, but you're not preparing us for that. Excuse me? Just listen to what I'm saying. This should be good. Would you agree that in the future, most careers will become automated? Yeah, so? So the people who succeed will have to be curious, innovative, with resilience to adapt to new changes. What's your point? My point is the focus. Is the most important leadership skill. Oh, that's how you feel. You don't have to believe me. You may not have believed the 1,500 executives who wasn't so. Okay, is it very touching? Yeah, very touching. Yes, thank you. My dear friends, I remember if my father was in a good bracket, I would have also been killed. Luckily, he had not seen the gates of the institutions, and therefore he never asked me my marks. But this father was educated. So when one day my college daughter called and told, your daughter is useless, I told, please don't use this. My daughter is the greatest thing on earth. Dropped out of college, but she got a national award for dance. So, my dear friends, there is something beyond the so-called education as we have labeled it. My daughter got a national award. She represented India in China. Out of 36 countries, she was #1. If I had listened to that principal, listened to the teacher, I would have killed my daughter psychologically. Are you getting this picture? So please, each one of us is born for a cause, but we want to live for applause, and that is the problem. After Corona, I think this Corona has opened our eyes. It is a wake-up call. It's not a wake-up call. Call means it's a wake-up call for all of us. Realize that we as species are a wonderful being. There's one beautiful old song, I don't remember. It says rivers, birds don't need visa and don't need passport. What is that song here? Panchi nadiya pavan ke jhoke. They can go across barriers. Human beings are given barriers right from the day we are born. And teachers are responsible today onwards when we go back to schools. Corona has come as a teacher. Corona has come as a challenge. क्या करो ना, जिंदगी बनाओ ना. We are all born very powerful. Have you been conditioned? I want you to tell me, each one of you, when you go back to your schools, what are those aspects you will start doing so that your children are going to bounce back? 28 years back, I left my job as I was the first chief pharmacist of the first high-tech hospital, Manipal Hospital. But I left my job because I found teenagers getting into depression. 25, 35 people getting heart attacks. I said something is growing wrong. The biggest virus is I'm not allowed to be myself. The highest, I'm basically a pharmacist. So the smallest company 20 years back was Sun Pharma. Today it is the biggest company because they are selling antipsychotic drugs. Depression cases are increasing. Why? I want to be better than you. I want faster promotions than you. I want faster increments than you. And we are not bothered about our life and life stance. Stance means attitude, my approach. But I'm bothered about lifestyle. Somebody shows, I'm in Malaysia, I'm in Singapore, they'll give a selfie. They will not tell you they have taken loans and gone there. And you see their false smile and you get irritated and you feel you should go there. Please stop all these things. Let's drill, because we are role models as teachers. We need to show direction to our teachers. What is it that each one of you is going to start doing from today? Please put your commitment on the chat. Please put your email ID on the chat. I want to send beautiful text to you all. You know, the culmination of this today's meeting. How many of you liked it? Give a thumbs up. Let me see whether you have liked it. Did you like the talk? Wonderful. So please, my dear friends, please give your email IDs. I'm going to keep sending you something because we need to change our teacher community and make teachers to join this community. I'm very sad that we cannot go above 99 and it is already full. I'm getting so many calls here that Ajit, how to enter? I'm not able to enter. They think that the code is wrong, the link is wrong, but they don't know that so many motivated teachers we have all over India. So please give your email IDs, give a commitment, and I am going to start sending you wonderful things through those commitments. I promise you, because Hoopsters is really interested. Hoopsters knows that it needs to reach out to more and more schools, more and more parents, more and more teachers, because the need of the hour, my dear friends, is character and culture. Mind you, the only country first 2 years who work on character and culture is Japan. Next is, if you go to Netherlands, the whole education system is child oriented. But in India, I used to be thrown out of my class because I talked a lot. Today I'm paid for talking. My dear friends, please understand. It's a big opposite. What was my weakness in school has become a strength at this age, which I realized at the age of 35 at least. So from 35 to 65, I'm celebrating life. Till 35, I tolerated life because I always felt I'm good for nothing, because basically I'm very creative. So when a teacher asks, what is the use of a window? I wrote, window is there because the cat should not come in. And I got 0 marks, a big cross. How does the earth look? And I wrote, earth looks like, a chocolate. I got a big cross and a 0 mark. And afterwards, when the teacher asked me, how man, don't you know window is there for light and air? And I said, yes, ma'am. But every night my father asked my mother, have you closed the window? Otherwise the cat will come and drink milk. So according to me, the window is there to avoid the cat from coming. What is this nonsense? Don't you know earth looks elliptical? You have written chocolate. Ma'am, you open any atlas, they'll show you 2 earths. On top there is one, a blue earth, which is full of water, and I feel I'm drowning. So I don't like that. The bottom is brown earth. It looks like chocolate. So for me, earth looks like chocolate. My creativity never got me marks, but creativity powers you in real life. Today, any problem comes, I can solve my problem. Why? Luckily for me, my parents never asked me marks. Are you getting the points? So please, my dear friends, marks are important, but not marks at the cost of life. So now as a teacher, how am I going to use creativity to balance yin and yang, ardhanareshwari, positive and negative? Unless the positive and negative is there, I cannot have the bulb giving me light. Unless my father positive, mother negative was there, I would not have been born. My dear friends, for everything we need positive, negative. And therefore learn to balance life. We need to teach our children to balance life. Today, I think Corona has helped us to understand the power of what life is, what true life is. And I don't think, every adversity is a university. The best university on earth is adversity. Can I learn to convert my problems? In Chinese, the word used for problem and the word used for challenge is same. That means don't take any problem as a problem, take it as a challenge, right? So now I want a few of you to ask me questions, or maybe tell me one learning, because we have only another 7 minutes. How that 1 hour went, we really didn't really understand. Please ask me a question, one at a time, so that there is no disturbance. Mariam, hand went there. You want to ask me a question, Mariam? Or anybody? Yes, please. Anybody? Any question? Mariam, you're muted. Okay. Let me see whether I can unmute you. No. Can you send me your questions on chat? Too good. Don't tell me too good and all. I know. See, I'm talking through my heart. I'm not talking through my mind. So, you will find it good. I want questions and your learning. What is it that really hit you today? One thing which you feel, no, I need this into practice. What is that really touched you? You can unmute yourself now for answers. Okay. Nupur has unmuted you all. So, you can ask me questions. Yes, Mariam, you can unmute yourself. Okay. From Jyoti Raman to everyone, except the need for, okay. Except the need for change on a regular basis. Yes, Jyoti, madam, please understand, you cannot eat the same rice every day without changing the sambar or dal. Okay. You cannot wear the same dress every day. You cannot, do the same routine every day, but you have to stay with your spouse every day. Correct? The reason is the spouse will never remain same. Humans keep changing. The dress will never change. Food will never change. Therefore, my dear friends, humans change. And we need to make our people, be facing life with challenges. Now, Srisha says, sir, it is good that marks are not important, but most colleges gives admission on basis of percentage. Tell me, Steve Jobs went to which college? Tell me, you name any person. Dhirubhai Ambani went to which college? Yes, I'm not telling marks are not important. My question is, you get marks at the cost of your life. Today, people are going into depression. Do you want marks and a good college at the cost of your life? I'm asking you to balance life. I'm telling marks are good, but not at the cost of life. So please don't misunderstand me. I'm not said marks are not good. Thank you very much, Srisha. I'm telling you, marks not at the cost of life. Life stands. Okay. So I did not go to a good college. I did not go to a very good college. But my dear friends, it's not important, what college you go. It's important. Am I a good student? Am I having sincerity? Am I having commitment? Am I having conviction? That is more important than a gold medal. There are people, let us take, somebody getting Nobel Prize, economics, not able to raise 5 rupees for the country. Are you getting the picture? So please, today I've seen, I was removed from a college because I refused to do PhD. But today I go to the same college and train teachers how to make classes interesting. How beautiful it is. The college removed me. Through the World Bank, I trained 2,500 engineering college lecturers. I'm not an engineer, but let anybody take a class for 5 minutes. The same class which I take is going to be very powerful, because I've worked on my communication skills. I worked on my delivery. I worked on connecting. So my dear friends, take a task, T-A-S-K. Do I have the right tools? Do I have the right skills? Do I have the right attitude? These 3 things are missing. I only have knowledge, T-A-S-K, tools, attitude, skills and knowledge. What is the use of marks? Are you getting the picture? Marks with these 3 things, wonderful. You'll be very useful to the society. You'll contribute. You'll become a legend. You'll leave behind your name. But we work only for name and fame, but we don't enjoy the game. If you don't enjoy the game of what you're doing, then what is the use of that big labels outside you, because the levels inside are missing, my dear friends. Please understand this. Okay, right. How to make parents understand that? Yeah, you know, we tried it from last 2 years. We are trying. I don't want to take any school names. First starting of the school, I interact with the parents. Do you want your child to be a great success at the cost of happiness, wellness, usefulness? I psych the parents. Only 30 minutes talk. If any school is interested, please tell me. 30 minutes I will come and psych them, and you will have no parents coming to your school and lifting schools, lifting their sleeves, bringing police, bringing press. Does it happen or no? Because we have not taken the parents into confidence. Please realize, my dear friends, today you need to make the parents realize, because what happens, I don't blame the parents. Overnight, our generation, from begging post, we have gone to this post. So ego has hit us very badly. We need to understand the realities in life. What happened? We are out. Y'all are there? Nupur, you are still there? Hello. Something changed. Okay, you're putting about hoopsters. Okay. So please realize, my dear friends, we need to realize that we are all very powerful, and hoopsters wants a family combination community to empower the teachers, empower the parents. So if you all are interested, please note down the contact details and do the needful. Okay. Anybody else? Any questions? Any learnings? Another 2-3 minutes remaining. I'm Dilip Kumar, training children on robotics. Okay, great. Very nice. Pallavi, you all have given your email IDs. You know, we will keep sending you something, because Hoopsters feels that if the teachers are empowered teachers, empowered students, empowered individuals, empowered institutions, empowered India. That's our aim and objective, my dear friends. We need to empower every student in our country, because the dire need is, we are very intelligent race. An American comes to India, one mosquito bites, they get malaria. An American comes to India, put him on a two-wheeler, take him one round of Bangalore, he will get allergy. But till 10 mosquitoes bite me, I don't get sleep. Are you getting this point? We Indians are how to address rays of technology imposing by care. It's very simple, my dear friends. Please realize technology is created by 10, 20, 50 people. I am using the technology, but you know, as a father, if I have an inhibition, asking my daughters, because I've got 2 daughters, if I have an inhibition, no, how to ask. If I have an inhibition learning from my students, I will never pick up technology. Can I should be childlike, not childish. My approach to life should be childlike. You see how children, they look at a ceiling without getting bored. That same child comes to primary school, boring. What happened? My dear friends, when the children are exposed to technology at a very young age, they get exposure without experience, and that is leading to ADHD syndrome. Children in classes are bored. The reason is, before they come to your class, they already know too much more. I'll give you an example. Suppose, let us say, Amuda there. I put one tube in her mouth and go on feeding her. She's not hungry. I feed her. I'm spoiling her stomach. She'll never feel hungry. She will fall sick. That is what is happening to children today. Much before they are ready, we put so much of information into their head. Are you getting the picture? We have not understood this. Much before they are prepared and ready to experience something, we have put nonsense into our children. Exposure without experience is frustrating. Every day I'm talking to you about Rasagulla, but I'm not giving you Rasagulla. Frustrating. Are you getting the picture? That is leading to ADHD, attention deficit syndrome. And therefore, my dear friends, we as teachers, we need to be exposed to all these things. Luckily at Buoyancy, our staff undergo forcible 100 hours of training per year. 100 hours is a must. And you as teachers have to undergo an exposure of the need to manage today's children. We are very good at our subjects. We don't know how to manage students. We don't know how to manage situations. There are 3 S's a teacher has to understand: the subject, the student, and the situation. We are champions at our subjects, but who is going to understand the student? How are we going to vibrate with the situation? Paristhiti can be managed only when my manasthiti is in proper sthiti. But unfortunately, my manasthiti is not in proper sthiti. That's why all this problem. Okay? We'll keep in touch with you. I really enjoyed every moment of the 1 hour I spent with you. Hope you have also enjoyed. Hoopsters, thank you very much. Please continue doing what you're doing for the, probably after the teachers, if any teacher is interested to meet the parents, please speak with your management and let's do something with the parents so that, Hoopsters will able to take you through to a wonderful celebrating life rather than tolerating life. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Hoopsters.
So, can I say a few words, sir?
Please, no.
Yeah. So, thank you all for coming today. It was amazing that we're amazed to have 100 participants. I had to lock the room halfway through because I couldn't let any more people in. And you've been very interactive in asking questions. Thank you so much. Hoopsters is all about building a community of parents, teachers, and children so we can help each other out. God forbid we have another situation like this anytime in the future. The idea is to prepare our children. So for that, we need to make changes within ourselves, changes around us, so we can enable our kids to be ready for any situation in the future. And teachers, you play the biggest role. For this, we are going to be having a lot of online and on-ground activities. Like the ones we did today, we're going to have workshops, we're going to have training programs, and a very important section that we focus on is mental health. We have a lot of workshops happening on mental health, so please stay tuned in. We have your email IDs, so anytime we have something special for teachers and for parents, I'm sure some of your parents too. So for parents and teachers, we'll be having regular workshops. Do participate. And we have our Insta handle and our Facebook page mentioned there. Follow us so you can get your regular updates. Please send us a message about which school you're from. We'd love to know because we've been associated with a lot of schools in Bangalore and across the country. So we'd love to know which school you're from. And, okay, sorry. We'd love to know which school you all are from. Please send us a message and we'll get back to you at the earliest as soon as we have our new workshop planned for you. I'm hoping that you all had a good time. Could you please leave a thumbs up if you liked the workshop today? If you wish to have any such activities within your own school, do let us know. You have our email IDs, you have our contact details, and we'd love to get back to you. Sir, all yours.
Yeah, I'm finished. Thank you very much, Nupur. Keep in touch, and we'll I'll send them because there are a lot of inquiries here. I will send a synopsis of what I have said. Make it very simple. Maybe create a PPT of what was spoken, so it becomes easy pictorially relate to what I've said, and then let's take off from there. Yeah, is
Perfect.
it okay?
Perfect.
Maybe it will take 10 days because I'm having very short time every day. So including tomorrow, I've got 3 webinars, and today again at 7:30 I have another one. So that's the only problem I'm having.
Right. So thank
Okay.
you all so much for participating.
Thank you very much. I'm really touched. All your reports are very fantastic. It's quite motivating, and I'm sure Hoopsters has done a very good job. Great.
Thank you, sir. It was a good talk. We didn't know how that 1 hour passed. It just passed.
Yeah. Thank you.
Lovely, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye.